First click on the plus and add the show editor and the show rulers. Go to the effects and look for transform and add it to your clip. After that, select the show editor and show rulers and put the object in the center of the lines to be more precise when you track your object. Then go select the scale and position and adjust the position value every time you go one frame forward, or maybe 3 or 4 frames if the movement is slow, and keep repeating this process until you finish. You will get a result like this. If you like this simple tutorial, please subscribe.